Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Today I'll show you how to turn on and off incognito mode in Google Maps. But first, let's go to Play Store and find Google Maps. On them and make sure they are updated to latest version. If they are, just open the app. Now tap button in the right corner and turn on incognito mode. Now incognito mode is on. To turn it off, again tap button in the right corner and turn off incognito mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.